Butardo, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maputo Malu. Today, I have come to a resort which is in Makaneta. As you guys know, Makaneta is almost 30 kilometers from Maputo. I've come to a resort over here to have my lunch and to show you the beach and to show you the resort. The resort is pretty good. I'm standing outside the resort. So let's get in and I'll show you how the resort is, what all facilities they have. I've heard a lot about this resort that is pretty good. They have good ambience, all those things. I'll just turn my camera. So fam, the resort's name is Lugar do Mar or something. So this is the resort and this is the entrance they have over here. It's pretty decent. Okay, the entrance, everything is pretty decent. You need reservation to come over here. Right now it's like this peak season, that's why you need reservation. So we have parked the car somewhere over there, car parking, and this is the entrance, this is the reception. I've taken this band is required to get into the swimming pool, so I have taken this band. So if you have this band, then only you can go to the swimming pool. And this is how the resort starts from here. I have heard like their food is pretty good, so I'll be trying. I've come with a family, Bidin and the family, and Anwar. So we all will be trying different food. This is the place where you can stay. All peaceful, calm. They have the beach that side. You guys have seen the Makaneta beach. I'll show you this beach also. I have to check out where my friends have gone. This is how it is. It's calm, peaceful. The best part of these resorts in Mozambique or Maputo or anywhere in Mozambique is like the ambience, the vibe they set. Look at this, like the ambience, the vibe, what they have set over here. I'm just walking to the swimming pool, but it's like so calm, peace, quiet, so beautiful. So fam, this is the entrance. The entrance is like over here. They have a restaurant over here. It's an open restaurant what they have over here, and it's quite a huge space what they have. Just crossing this, they have some cakes, bolo, what we call it as. And over there we have an open swimming pool. You can sit over here, you can have your lunch. They have an open swimming pool. So I'm just searching my friends. This is the swimming pool what they have over here. As you can see, that's the bar counter right over there. And this is another swimming pool what they have over here. That's Anwar, the most wanted Anwar. So he's like, wait. He's like with all his goggles, all those things. And that is Bidin, taking care of the child, being a good dad. Yes, he's showing the child how to climb. That's our favorite Nichu. Let's go to the beach first, like in the last video. This is Situla over here. One sec, Situla. Yeah, just go a little back. Okay. Yeah, now you're visible. So this is Situla. Okay, Nichu's mother. And you walk from here. Bidin is like hiding his face. Bidin, say hi. Yeah. That's it. So Bidin is all excited. Look at this view, guys. Look at this view. I can spot Anwarika with a Mahindra XUV 500. As you can see, like Mahindra XUV 500. Mahindra is from India, so I'm proud to say that it's an Indian brand that is lying over here in Mozambique. This guy is like aged, but he's giving so much poses, all those things. He's still young, he doesn't have stomach like me. So they have built a wooden passage for the people to walk around. It's a wooden passage, painted black. The nature wise, if you see, it's like It looks like in forest, but it's nothing like forest. It's all planted properly. Yes. Something like this. And this way, this route leads to the beach. So fam, this is the first spot. Over here you guys can come, sit over here, relax. And the far across you, what you see is a beach. Bata Ardo. Hola. See, I just met two people over here. What you see is the beach that side. So fam, this is not a friendship knot. This is the basic beach attire that you want. The badge that Bidin has given me. So you want this if you want to get into beach. So fam, we are getting into the beach. The journey is from here, the way is from here. So they're all set. What you see over there is the beach, and this is the route. Yes. So fam, that's the beach. Green color water, Makanit. So fam, had some fun in the beach. I was not able to shoot properly because like we all were playing in the beach. Now we are going back to the swimming pool again to play again. After that, like we'll be damn hungry and we'll have lots and lots of food. So let's start from there. I'll reach there, then I'll start shooting. From after the swimming pool session, we have ordered some food. We are damn hungry and the food is arriving. I'll just show you. We have ordered pizza mexicana and arroz de marisco. So I wanted to try this from a long time. I'll just show you this. So fam, our food have arrived. This is the pizza mexicana and iso arroz de marisco and como se llama amigo? Rashid. Look at Rashid, like he's wearing mask. It's very safe. And the food have arrived. Muito obrigado, Rashid. Okay. Yeah. So fam, this is the food. There's a lot of things in this. Sorry, I'm feeling so like hungry that the words are skipping from my mouth. There's a lot of foods over here. Camarao, prawns. I don't know what all. This is Mexicana, pizza Mexicana. It looks yummy. Let's start with this view over here. Fam, the food has arrived. This is pizza Mexicana, olive oil, the peri peri, the famous peri peri. This is again some oil, and this is arroz de marisco. This is the dish for the day. So fam, Sidala is like running from here to have this food. Just look at this. And after the food has arrived, she's running from there. Fam, this is arroz de marisco. There is lula in this, prawns, lobsters, crab. So crab over here, lula. What is lula? Prawns. I don't know. There's a lot of things. Squid. There's a lot of things with rice. This is the peri peri, the famous peri from Mozambique. This is Mexicana pizza. Looks so yummy with full filling, but this won't be heavy for us. We thought the food might be heavy, that's why we tried with this, but this won't be heavy. So Sidera is looking into this. There is crab. This is prawns. This is lula, squid, and prawns over here. Squid. We have everything in this. So fam, Bidin has started with the pizza over here. And you can see Anwar has already started with the pizza. Now it's my turn. It's my turn. The crust is very small. The fillings are good. It was like sour taste. Very good. I liked it. No problem. The fillings are like very good. There's no problem with the fillings. So fam, Bidin has started with the arroz de marisco. Yeah. How's it, Bidin? It's good? Now it's my turn. This is a prawns. It's a big piece. Yeah. We're gonna start. Let's see. Starting with the prawns. Juicy. This is like the taste of whole ocean in under one plate, and it's like very tasty. I'm having with hand. I don't know how to have this, but like it's fine. So fam, I'm left with this big crab. I'm using my hand. I can't eat with fork and knife, all those things. This is what is left with me. So I don't want to show you how to eat this because like it's not so easy. Tangy. I don't know if this is the correct word. Fam, it's been almost like 5 minutes. I'm still left with this piece. It's not easy to have this. It's very tough. That's yummy. Fam, we are done with the first set of food. We are waiting for the second set of food, which is about to come in some time. I hope so. So Rahim is bringing the pizza. Muito obrigado, Rahim. This is like the second piece of pizza set has arrived. As you can see. So fam, the second set of pizza has arrived over here. And this is the food. So what you see over here is the cheese that is floating around. That's the cheese, yeah. It's yummy, looks yummy. So what we have here is like batata frita, so French fries, salad, limau, the lemon, and the fish. This is the fish. I'm feeling so hungry that I'll not be able to shoot this, but I just want to show you the food. So we have so much pizza left. So Bidin is fighting with the fish. He's hungry. Cheesy, right? So fam, I'm starting with the fish. I don't understand the taste. It's good. So fam, we have finished our food. The food was very good. There's no complaint. We have ordered 2 pizzas. One is like Mexican pizza, one is like chicken pizza. Chicken pizza's filling was too good. They have added paneer, the feta, what they call in Portuguese. That's very good, very good. There's no complaint, nothing. And the fish was also like quite good. I didn't feel the taste much because like only slightly salty, and it was grilled fish, so it was good. There's no problem. Arroz de marisco, we thought the quantity will be huge. The quantity was not up to the mark what we thought. What we have expected, the quantity was not there. But it was good, there's no problem. The food was tasty. It was slightly juicy, so it was like very tasty. Because like all the flavors from the ocean is there in one ball, so we can't expect more. It was very good. and I highly recommend this restaurant or the resort. Okay, if you come to Makaneta, come visit, have some food, go to the beach, play around, go to the swimming pool. You want this to get into the swimming pool, go around, have fun. That's all I want to say. And if you like this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. So Makuta Malu signing off.